Are you tired of choosing between rich audio and crystal clear calls and are in the market for a device that can offer you both? Meet the all-new Boat Nirvana Ivy Pro. This is the latest flagship TWS in the domestic brand's Nirvana series, which promises immersive audio as well as a better calling experience. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have with us the Boat Nirvana Ivy Pro flagship TWS earbuds that are tuned for immersive audio, powerful ANC and seamless communication, all in one stylish package. Whether you are deep into a movie or on a work call or want to disconnect from the outside world, the Ivy Pro is built to adapt to your lifestyle. And with dual drivers in each bud as well as Dolby Atmos support, you are not just listening to music, it feels like you are inside it. Let's take a look at some of its top features that make the Boat Nirvana Ivy Pro stand out in the crowd. Priced at Rs 4,999, the Boat Nirvana Ivy Pro is available in 4 colors: crystal black, mist blue, purple haze and ivory gold. These earbuds can be purchased from both official website as well as e-commerce platforms like Amazon and Flipkart. These earbuds have a decent look and a lightweight build. The Boat Nirvana Ivy Pro comes with support for Dolby Atmos as well as Dolby head tracking. These features help the earbuds bring cinematic sound straight to your ears. The earbuds also come with an IPX5 splash resistance rating. Each bud houses a dual driver setup that is tuned for rich bass and crisp highs. And yes, they are high-res audio certified and come with LDAC support. For gaming, these earbuds also have a 50 milliseconds low latency beast mode. You can customize your sound profile using the Mimi powered adaptive EQ by the Boat Hearables app. For connectivity, these earbuds also feature standards like Google Fast Pair and multi-point connectivity. Users can even block out the background noise with 52 decibels of hybrid ANC or stay alert using the ambient mode. From the noise cancellation animation on the app, you can switch to the ambient mode very easily, which can help you while crossing a road or working. And for crystal clear calls, these earbuds have an AI-powered ENC mode with 6 mics working together for noise-free voice clarity. Running low on battery, the Nirvana Ivy Pro supports fast charging as well. The company claims that just 15 minutes of fast charging can give you up to 200 minutes of playback. Powerful, immersive and smart, the Boat Nirvana Ivy Pro promises an improved audio experience. Let us know which features you liked about these earbuds the most. Hit like, share and follow for more such tech reviews. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में.